So have thought about largest, that is the biggest two-digit multiplication. Okay. So next is going to see about the same multiplication process. But what is the problem in the before that is the before tricks means. When it comes as a smallest number like a 72 into 88, 65 into 75, when it comes as a small one, in some cases it doesn't give the perfect answer. In some cases it doesn't give the perfect answer. So when it comes as a smallest two-digit number, not very smallest, like a mid, like a 75 into 62 or a 62 into 71. For this type, we have another simplest method to solve these kind of problems. Okay, so that why I have written here. There is another method for a easy multiplication procedure for two-digit number. Okay, so it will be a little bit have some process when comparing the before problem before tricks. It have a little bit steps in comparing it, but it give the final perfect answer. Okay, what is the main advantage of this method means we can use it for the largest two number and largest three number as well as the largest four number. So we can use it for a 3-digit, 4-digit, etc. Okay, so whereas in before method, that is 100 minus 97, we have performed those kind of a problem, basic tricks. No, so we cannot perform it when it comes as a small mid number like a 62 or a very largest two-digit number like a 999 minus a 888. We cannot perform it. Okay. So whereas these kind of method we can perform it for a 2-digit, 3-digit as well as for a 4-digit number. Let's see. So I have taken it as a stepwise. Okay, so it is then only it will be very easy to understand for you. Okay, so here 62 into 71. So this is a question, 62 into 71. So for this I have performed the 3 steps to get the final answer. Please listen it carefully. So first step. So I have written it like 62 into 71. Okay, so 62 into 71. So we want to perform the multiplication for the last one digit number. 2 into 1 is equal to 2. So we want to put it as a final answer. So last from first, you should not do here, you should not put this number as a first number. Okay, so you want to come from the last to first. So we have performed 2 into 1 is equal to 2. So it's 2 here. So I have put a 2 here. So next step is I have taken and written like the 62 into 71. So we want to do the cross multiplication. You know how to do the cross multiplication. 6 into 1 and 7 into 2. So 6 into 1 is equal to 6 plus 7 into 2 is equal to 14. So 6 plus 14 is equal to 20. So we have got the 2-digit number as a final, not final answer, as a answer. So 0 and 2. So we want to take the last number, last first number. So this is that for 2 and 0, which is the last number. This is the last number. So we want to take and written 0 here. Okay, so 2 alone here remaining. Okay, don't forget here 2 alone remaining, have put on a 0 to the final answer. So next process have taken 62, 71. So we want to perform this first 2-digit number, that is 6 into 7. So 6 into 7 is equal 42 plus 2. 6 into 7 is equal to 42. So 42 plus 2 is equal to 44. So then we are going to put the 2-digit to the final answer. Okay, so this is a 3-step process for the 2-digit number. So I have come the final I have written the 44 here. When it comes to the 3-digit, so again we want to kept only the 4. So I have tell you when it comes as a 3-digit and 4-digit, I will tell you. So for the 2-digit multiplication, this is the basic procedure. Okay, so we going to perform the another 2-digit number. So 35 into 23. Okay, so first step. What is the first step? We want to perform the last one digit. So 35 into 23. So last one digit, what is the 5 into 3 is equal to 15. Okay, so we want to write only the 5 to the final answer. We want to write the 5 to the final answer. We want to keep the 1 here. Okay, so next 35 into 23, we want to perform the cross multiplication. So 3 into 3 plus 2 into 5. So 3 into 3 is equal to 9. 9 plus 2 into 5, 10. So 9 plus 10 is equal to 19, isn't it? So we have a 19, but we have left a 1 here. So we want to write a 1 here. So only the 5 alone I have taken to the final answer, 1 here. So I have written a 1. So 9 plus 10 plus 1. So 19 plus 1 is equal to 20. So we want to write the 0 to the final answer, and the 2 will be remain same. So next step, third step, 35 into 23. So we want to perform the first 2-digit multiplication here. So 3 into 2 is equal to 6, isn't it? So 6 plus 2, 8. So we want to take it as a 8 to the final answer. Okay, so 8 not 5 is the final answer, isn't it? So first step, 35 into 23. So 5 into 3 is equal to 15. So I have taken a 5 here, 1 will be here remaining. So next process is the cross multiplication. 3 into 3 9 and 2 into 5 10. So here 1. So 9 plus 10 is equal to 19 plus 1 20. So I have written a 0 here. So remaining a 2 here. Okay, so don't forget the remaining 2 here. So we want to perform here multiplication. 3 into 6 plus the remaining 2. So 6 plus 2 is equal to 8. So 805 will be the final answer. So this is a very basic step for the 2-digit number. Okay, what is the first step? We want to multiply the last digit. Okay, so for the 2-digit, it is 3 step. Only the 3 step alone will be there for the 2-digit, largest 2-digit multiplication. What is the first method? We want to multiply the last 1 digit. That is the last 1 digit. Next, cross multiplication. We want to perform the cross multiplication. Next third step is we want to perform the first digit multiplication. So this is the step. So if there will be a remaining, we want to add it to the final answer. So this is a very basic step. Okay, we will do the next one thing. 52 into 24. Okay, so what is the first step? We want to take it as written here. Okay, so if you don't need to take, or if you are doing any competitive exam, it doesn't need to do these kind of stepwise problems. You can come across with your mental calculation. Okay, so for a better understanding only, I have put in a step 1 and step 2. 2 into 4 is equal to 8. So we want to perform the 8. So we have written to the 8 to the final answer. Okay, so the step 1 has been finished. Next, step 2. So next step 2, we want to do the cross multiplication. So 5 into 4 plus 2 into 2. So 5 into 4, 20 plus 2 into 2, 4. So then the final answer will be a 24. So we want to take only 4 to the final answer. 2 will be the remaining. Okay, don't forget the remaining when you are doing the next step. So 52 into 24. So we want to perform the first 2-digit, first row of the multiplication. So 5 into 2 is equal to 10. So I have written it here. 5 into 2 is equal to 10 plus this 2. The remaining 2 isn't here. 5 into 2 plus the remaining 2. So the 5 into 2 is equal to 10. 10 plus 2 is equal to 12. So there is a no another step. So we can take it the 2-digit to this answer. So 1248 will be the final answer for 52 into 24. Okay. So this is the next easiest method to perform the multiplication. Okay. So when it have a question like a 97 into 98 or a 96 into 90 or 80, on that range you can do the previous method, that is 100 minus 97. Do it that's basic method. That is a basic method. 97 into 98 means we want to perform 100 minus 97 and 100 minus 98. So this workout unit, the number will be the 80s range to within 100. 80s range to within 100. It work it on this range. Okay, we can want to perform the second procedure. Okay, so this is your choice. Okay, so when you need this method, you can follow this one. So this method doesn't going to support your question, you can perform the second procedure. Okay.